Once again, it's treat time, and I decided to do up some cheesy chicken nuggets. Okay, I've got about a kilo or about a pound, or a couple of pounds actually, of ground chicken. Now you can put this in a food processor or grab some breasts and put them in a food processor and do it like that. I just find it's a whole lot easier to buy them. And we'll season the chicken up with about a teaspoon of garlic powder, another teaspoon of an onion powder, a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning that I use for everything. I just love this stuff. A teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we'll just go ahead and mix this up. You can use your hands too, but I'm going to use my handy dandy wooden spoon here. Like I always say, you can adjust the seasoning according to your liking, like, add some extra stuff, whatever you want. It doesn't much matter as long as you get seasoned according to your liking and it tastes good. Okay, just set this aside. Next, we're going to cube up some mozzarella. I just love mozzarella. I wish I could get that Italian mozzarella. You want to cube something like that. It's about perfect. Not too big, not too small. Then I am going to grab up a good palmful of the chicken mix. And we'll just shape this into a ball, something like this, about the size of a golf ball. Give it a flatten out. This is about 2 or 3 inches in diameter, I suppose. Grab up a good chunk of that mozzarella and just place it into the center and fold the chicken back over so it kind of becomes the nucleus of the ball itself. And roll this out so it looks real pretty like. Set this aside on a baking tray along with some parchment paper, and we'll just repeat this process for the rest of the mixture. Now I know, guys, in the beginning of the video I said shape them into nuggets, or they're supposed to be chicken nuggets and not balls, and these are balls. So I'm just going to flatten this out a little bit and just kind of form it into a nugget. And that's the great thing about anything ground. I mean, you can shape it into any form you like. It could be a castle, it could be a fish, whatever you like, a dinosaur. So something like this looks about perfect. The perfect nugget. Now our nuggets are shaped up, it is time to prepare our dredging stations. In our first station is half a cup of all-purpose flour. In the next station, a couple of beaten eggs. Oops, shell in. They say the best way to get a shell out is with a shell. And last but not least, about a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using the breadcrumbs seasoned with some parsley flakes. You can also put some fresh parsley in too. I kind of think the parsley is important in there. It really looks nice. It is time to dredge now, so into the flour first. And make sure this guy is nicely coated. Little shake off. Into the egg mixture. Now, unfortunately, you can wear gloves, but there's really no unmessy way of doing this. I'm changing hands here, but that helps a little bit. Then, of course, into the breadcrumbs. Make sure we're nicely coated here. And we'll just set this aside on our baking tray and continue dredging. Okay, now it's time to fry our cheesy chicken nuggets up. And I've got some oil here heated to about 350 degrees. And I'm just going to put them in. And we'll just fry these in batches until they're a beautiful golden brown. And of course, partway through, I'm going to give these a flip over. Don't these look gorgeous, guys? After about 2 minutes on each side, they look beautifully golden brown, so I'm just going to take them out and set them aside on a wire rack. And I should mention too, guys, that you don't have to deep fry these. You can air fry them or bake them as well. I just kind of like them deep fried. Got that beautiful brown appearance to them. And there you have it, my friends, our easy, cheesy chicken nuggets. Absolutely delicious. Great party snack. Okay, let's cut into this, guys, and see what we have. Okay, let's see what we have here, guys. Just look at this ooey gooey goodness, and I bet you that chicken is absolutely stunning and spiced beautifully. Wow. Cheesy goodness. And I have an idea, some cheesy nugget cheers. Cheers, everybody. Okay, it's time for that thing I love so much is the taste test. My goodness, this is really good. I'm just using a barbecue sauce. You know, you could use some mustard mayo, whatever you like, but this is so good. I love the cheese. The chicken is spiced beautifully. It's still, even after, 5 minutes or so, crispy. I just love it. This would be a hit at parties, guys. You got to make this. Of course, I'm going to have more. As always, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Don't forget to subscribe, listen to the radio station, and if you like what you saw, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.